Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we will see how we can upload any file in Google Drive. So you can see here I have already logged in with the Gmail account. So after logging in the Gmail account, when you will open your browser, then you will see this Google Apps uh, app. So you can see these dots. In this dot there are Google Apps. So you can see here there are so many apps of Google. Okay, these are the apps provided by Google like Slides, Blogger, Sheets, Dog Finance, and there are so many. Okay, so in Google Drive, how we can upload any file in Google Drive. So you can see here. So let me change my Google account. I do not want to do on this account, use this account. So just change the account. So now you can see here I have changed my Google account. So on this account I will click on the Google app, then you can see Drive, click on that. So here you can see already I have uploaded so many files and folders. Okay, so in my Drive you can see the folders. So I have uploaded so many files and folders already on Google Drive. So yes, today but let's upload one more file. Okay, so this is the plus new symbol, so click on that. When you will click on that, you will see so many options like new folder, file upload, and folder upload. So what I have to do, I have to do upload a file. So first let me create one folder. So click on new folder, name, give any name to this folder, June 17. Okay, create. So now you will see in my drive, one new folder has been created, that which I have named recently. That folder is June 17. Okay, so yeah, so you can see right now this June 17 folder is empty. Okay, now upload new file. So you can upload file or folder. So now I'm uploading one file from our local machine. So click on file upload. Okay, so let's we can upload anything, either documents, pictures, music, videos, anything, any file or folder that you want to upload, you can do that. Okay, so let's me find some document, or let just upload one picture. Okay, so this picture I'm going to upload. So select this one and click on open. So now you can see here in the bottom right side bottom, so this is uploading. Now uploading has been completed. Now you can see the picture has been uploaded. You can see here the preview of the picture. Okay, so in this way you can upload a folder. In the same way you can also upload any folder, like click on folder, upload. Okay, select any folder like you want to upload this folder. So click on that and click on upload. When you will click on upload, okay, so let me click this one. So this upload all files from shared pictures. Only do this if you trust the site. Okay, upload. So you can see this is the preview you are seeing right now. So yes, so now you can see their green mark, it means folder has been uploaded. You can see here, and whatever the files there were there, all files are there in saved pictures. Okay, so in this way you can upload file or folder. Okay, if you want to delete, so we were in my drive, June 17. Okay, so in this way if you want to delete, let's suppose I do not want to keep this folder in Google Drive, so you can come here and you can delete, move to trash, click on that, this file will be deleted. Okay, so if you want to share this let's suppose this picture you want to share with your friends, you do not need to share with them this file or picture. Just you go to here and you can see on share there are two options, share and copy link. If you click on share, then you have to select, if you know the email ID of your friend or the person you want to send, then just type their email address and you will be able to send these files to that person. Okay, if you want to share the link, only link of this picture, then you can copy the link and share on WhatsApp, Facebook, or wherever you want to send them. Okay, so in this way you can so just we have seen how we can create a folder in Google Drive, how to upload a file or a folder in a Google Drive, and how to delete them and how to share with others these files and folder. Okay, so in next video we will see more about some other topic. Okay, bye bye.